it's certain in December 15, I'm always ready for anyone.
Ito ang brimming with confidence na pahayag sa PTV Sports ni Pinoy WBO at Ring Magazine Super Bantamweight Champion Nonito Donaire Jr. hinggil sa kung tatanggapin ba niya o hindi ang laban kay Mexican Toughie Jorge Arce sa December 16. Magugunitang pinagbawalan si The Filipino Flash ng kanyang doktor na sumalang sa mabigat na ensayo dahil sariwa pa ang sugat sa kanyang kamay. Ayon sa espesyalista, kailangan munang ipahinga sa pagsuntok ni Donaire ang kanyang kaliwang kamay na nilapatan ng 5 stitches matapos ang Toshiaki Nishioka fight noong 1 linggo. Sa panig naman ng veteran sports commentator na si Ronnie Nathaniels, hindi advisable na pumanik agad ng ring sa Disyembre si Donaire. Dahil kung susumahin, papatak na 3 linggo lamang ang magiging preparasyon nito kontra Arce, lalo pat kailangan itong magpahinga ng 1 buong buwan.
I don't think so kasi sinabi ng doctor niya, he needs 1 month rest before he can punch the bag or do anything. So if you calculate 1 month rest from October 15, okay, when he saw the doctor, that will be November 15. The fight is December, he'll have only 3 weeks to train. Hindi kulang na yan.
Pero ayon kay Donaire, wala itong problema dahil i-maintain lamang niya ang kanyang kondisyon mula sa Nishioka fight.
Well, if I train now, I'm still in shape. I'm still ready to go 12 rounds at this moment because of how in shape I am. It should just pretty much be maintaining the first month that I can't hit anything, and then the last month it should be an all-out sparring. And I think I should be ready by then.
So if Aurum says December 15 is a go, you'll give it a nod?
Yes, of course not. I'm not afraid of anyone. I'm here to fight everybody.
Samantala, tinanong rin namin si Donaire sa kung hindi ba siya hihingi ng kondisyones sa laban, lalo't lumalabas na pabor ang lahat para kay Arce. Kung magpopositibo kasi ang announcement bukas ni Top Rank Big Boss Bob Arum, sa December 16 sa Mexico magaganap ang salpukan nina Donaire at Arce.
I don't really mind, if that's what they decided to do, then I don't really mind where it is. I'm always going to be ready for anyone at anywhere. And like I said before, I'll fight anybody, and it doesn't matter where it is. So if they decide to do that, then I'm okay with that.
Nasa bansa ngayon, ang pinakamainit at pinaka-eksplosibong boxer ng Pilipinas at target niya na magpahinga lamang ng kaunti. Tapos ay kagyat na magpapakondisyon para sa kanyang next fight. Para sa PTV Sports, Flor Perez, Telebisyon ng Bayan.